we're gonna see if this thing is safe for 3-year-olds and 4-year-olds. How do you go in reverse? Okay, here we go. My foot is stuck. Okay. This is awkward. You wanna see how fast this thing goes? Watch out, Kate.